Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Teams, open the desktop or web app and sign in. Search for the person's name in chat or the top search bar and open their conversation. Once the chat is visible, click the three-dot menu in the chat header. This is your entry to actions. Make sure you're in the correct thread. Blocking the wrong contact can stop messages. Now that the menu is open, proceed to the controls that affect messaging and calls. You'll find the block option under the chat header menu or by clicking the user's profile card. Open it and choose block or block contact. When prompted, confirm that you want to block messages and calls from that account. Once done, Teams will prevent direct messages and calls, though shared team channels remain unless you leave them. Make sure to note whether the person is inside your org. Org admin settings can override or change behavior. Continue to find. Now verify the block by returning to the chat header. You should see an indication that messages are blocked. If you change your mind, open the same menu and select Unblock to restore messaging and calling immediately. If blocking doesn't take effect, make sure Teams is up to date and sign out/sign in to clear cache, then retry. If problems persist, contact your IT admin. Tenant policies or directory settings can prevent blocking, and they can adjust controls for your account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.